In this video, I am going to tell you how you can watch a movie together online with your friends. So it is possible to watch online movie with Google Meet, Zoom and Skype, but they have limitation. You cannot watch movie for a long period time. For example, you have a movie of 3 hours, you cannot watch on Zoom because it has only 40 minutes. So I am giving you some alternatives which you can use. First alternative is TeleParty, formerly known as Netflix parties. Over the years, telepathy has gained popularity and you can view movies on it and enjoy some great time. Second option is Amazon Prime's videos watch party function, which allow multiple users to watch a same movie at the same time without need to additional software or add-on. This option is Rave. It is one of the available streaming platform which can enable synchronization of different accounts and even a group can watch a movie together. Another option is Hulu's Watch Party, which features you to watch movies up to 6 friends together, and you can enjoy the best way of watching movie using this Hulu Watch Party. The next option is Scener, which provides free browser extension as well for viewers to watch movies together. And the last option which I am going in this video is TwoSeven, which is very useful. It is a great app that can help you to stream services like Netflix, HBO, Vimeo, YouTube, Amazon Prime and a lot more. I hope friends now you will be able to watch movies with your friends online. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.